Welcome students. Now we shall solve more number of problems on integration by substitution method. Now look at that first problem, that is the problems are given here. Now we shall solve. Note here, remember whenever log function is present in the problem, always put log function equals t. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಾರ log function ಇದ್ದಾಗ log function ನ t ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು and differentiate with respect to x and proceed. Okay, that is the trick that you have to apply whenever the integration of log functions are given. Now come to this problem by substitution method. Log x whole square by x dx is there. Here we see that the function log x is present here. Log x, don't take log x whole square, take only log x equals t. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x dx is dt. Now look at here, this is dx divided by x or same as 1 by x dx. This is same as dt. Okay. So log x is t. So it is t square into dt. Integral of t power n is t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it is t cube by 3 plus c. What is the value of t? It is log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Now come to the second problem. Now look at here. 1 divided by x plus x log x dx. Now look at here. Directly don't put log x equals t because you don't have 1 by x here. It is 1 by x plus x log x is here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x plus x log x. So in the denominator here you take log x as a common factor. You get 1 plus log x. Now you give log x equals t. Log x ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನೇ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು t ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ because derivative constant is 0. So you take this is equal to t. So 1 plus log x is t. Differentiate with respect to x. Again 1 derivative is 0. 1 by x dx is dt. So the integral of 1 by x dx is there, that is dt divided by this, the whole thing is t. So integral, we know that integral of dt by t is log mod t plus c. So log of mod t value should be substituted, that is 1 plus log x plus c. Okay, come to this problem. Here it is, look at this log function is there to the power of n or to the power of 3 4 5 ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you take this log x as just log x as t. Differentiate 1 by x dx is dt. Now look at here, this is 1 divided by x dx dt. It is 1 by t power n. Log x is t power n. Take to the numerator t power minus 1. We know that integral of x power n dx is, you must remember this formula, x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So it is t power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1 plus c. T value is log x. Okay. Come to the next problem. Integral of cot x into log of sin x. Look at your log function is there. Log of sin x is there. You take log of sin x equals t and differentiate with respect to x. Here to differentiate this you have to consider sin x equals u. It becomes log u. What is the derivative of log u? It is 1 by u into derivative of u. It is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? Into dx equals derivative of t is dt. So derivative of sin x is cos x. So 1 by sin x cos x dx dt. What is cos x by sin x? We all know that cos x divided by sin x is equal to cot x, isn't it? So cos x by sin x is cot x. So it is cot x dx is dt. You have this is cot x and dx. So these two will give rise to dt. Entire log of sin x is t dt. What is the integration of t power 1? It is t power 2 by 2 plus c. It is 1 by 2 into t square log of sin x whole square. Sin square ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, log of sin x whole square plus c. Come to the next problem. It is also a simple problem. Don't take log x equals t. Log x illa, log x square is there. Don't take log x square as t. We know that the formula of logarithmic property, log of m to the power of n will be equal to n into log m. So this n comes behind this log. So we have log x square is 2 into log x dx. Now you take the entire 2 log x with plus 1. The entire this is equal to t. So 1 plus 2 log xt, differentiate with respect to x. One derivative is 0, 2 is a constant, log x is 1 by x dx dt. We want dx by x, alva. So dx by x will be equal to 2 comes to this denominator. So that is dt by 2. So dx by x is dt by 2. Entire thing 1 plus 2 log x is t. 2 is taken out, integral of t is t square by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 denominator 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is the value of t square? 1 plus 2 log x whole square. Now come to this problem again. Here we see that just you put log x equals t ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ 1 2 3 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ x plus log x ಗೆ t ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You give x plus log x equals t. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of this x? Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Dx equals dt. Look at here. This is 1 plus 1 by x. 1 means 1 by 1 is there. If you take out the LCM x here, this will be x plus 1. Okay. So we see that x plus 1 by x dx is dt. So is there x plus 1 by x? Yeah. Problem only. We see, look at this. This entire thing is x plus 1 by x and this is dx. So the entire thing is t. X plus log x, entire thing is dt. X plus log x is t. So t square dt, isn't it? So the problem is integral of t square dt. So t power 3 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 into t and x plus log x whole cube plus c. Next problem. Integral of 10x power 9 plus 10x power x 10 power x log 10. Now if you look into this, look at the first 10 into x power 9. ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು? x power 10 derivative ಏನು? Derivative of x power 10 is 10 into x power 9. So the denominator derivative ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ you should take the entire thing as t. x power 10 plus 10 power x equals t. So what is the derivative of x power 10? 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x derivative is 10 power x into log 10. So remember, you know that the derivative of a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of x into log a. So similarly, derivative of 10 to the power of x equals 10 to the power of x into log 10. So into dx is dt, entire numerator is to this become dt, dt by t. Integral of dt by t is log of mod t. T value is x power 10 plus 10 power x. So it is a simple problem, ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ complicated ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. You have to practice these types of problems. Okay. Now come to this problem. Secant square ಏನು differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan. What is the derivative of tan? What is the derivative of tan x? We all know it is the standard formula. It is secant square x, isn't it? So that is why you take tan x ಬದಲು tan root x equals t. Differentiate with respect to x. We take this root x as u, it becomes tan u. So what is the derivative of tan u? It is secant square u into derivative of u. U is root x, isn't it? Secant square root x into derivative of root x. What is the derivative of root x? You must remember it is the standard result. Derivative of root x will be 1 by 2 root x. So we see that secant square root x into 1 by 2 root x dx is dt. Here it is secant square x by root x dx ಇರೋದಲ್ವಾ. So we want just secant square ಈ 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this 2 cross multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. This 2 goes to here. dt by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ. Secant square root x into 1 by root x dx will be 2 dt. So in the problem, look at here. Secant square root x by root x dx ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So this entire thing will be 2 dt. So secant tan root x ಗೆ t is t power 4 into 2 dt. The problem will be t power 4 into 2 dt. So this is a constant which is taken out here. 2 into t power 4 dt. 2 into t power 4 integral is t power 5 by 5. E 5 comes to this denominator. 2 by 5 into tan root x power 5. Now look at here. It's a special kind of problem. You have to think about this problem. Okay, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ difficult ಇದೆ. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sudden ಆಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. We have to simplify the problem. So it is a ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ difficult. Okay. So now look at to the power of 4 is there. Here x power 4 minus x is there. In x power 4 minus x, you take x power 4 as a common factor. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 1 minus 1 by x cube ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ to the power of 4 ಇದೆ. x power 4 into 1 minus 1 by x cube ಇದಿಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ power 1 by 4 ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. a to the power of 4 into b whole to the power of 1 by 4 ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ. So this can be written as a to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 into b to the power of 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 into 1 minus x cube whole power 1 by 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is just x into 1 minus x cube by to the power of 1 by ಈ x power 5 x ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cancel ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ you can cancel here and it makes x power 4. Now look at here. You give this 1 minus x cube equals t. Remember, you give 1 minus x cube 1 minus 1 by x cube equals t. Differentiate one derivative is 0. E minus ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. This minus is as it is. What is the derivative of 1 by x power n? It is minus n by x power n plus 1. So the derivative minus is there. 1 by x cube derivative is minus 3 by x power 3 plus 1. So minus into minus plus. What is x power 3 plus 1? So it is 3 by x power 4 dx. This 3 comes to this denominator here, cross multiplication. 1 by x power 4 dx is dt by 3. So the entire thing will be nodi dx by x ideyala. Look at this, dx divided by x power 4. dx by x power 4 is dt by 3. This is t power 1 by 4. 1 by 3 is taken out. T power 1 by 4 ಗೆ t power 1 by 4 plus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ stop. We all know that it is so what is the LCM? It is 4. So it gives rise to 1 plus 4 which is equal to 5 by 4. So denominator this is 5 by 4. This 4 goes to numerator, it becomes 4 by 5 into t power 5 by 4. So this is t andre 1 minus 1 by x cube power 5 by 4. So it's an important problem. We have to think about it. Itara problem galalli highest power to the power of 1 by 4, 3 by 4 itara ene irli highest power of x should be taken outside common. Okay, then apply 1 to the power 1 by 4 to both the terms. Okay. Now come to this problem. It's a very similar to that problem. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ problem ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. x power 4 minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 is there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x power 4 minus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ take x power 4 as a common factor. It is 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 applied to this as well as this. What is this? X to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4 means 4 get cancelled. That is x power 3. So it is x power 3 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Very similar to the last problem. X square x power 3 is x power 5. Now look at this. It is similar to the last problem. You give this 1 plus 1 by x power 4 equals t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 ಗೆ 0, 1 by x power 4 ಗೆ minus 4 divided by x power 5 dx dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x power 5 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, so minus 4 comes to this denominator, so it is minus dt by 4. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಈ 1 x power 5 dx ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus dt by 4, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ t power 3 by 4. the problem ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. now it just reduces to minus dt by 4 by t power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into integral of ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ dt by t power 3 by 4 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 3 by 4. so this is just minus 1 by 4 integral of t power minus 3 by 4 dt. so it is t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4 plus 1. So what is minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 1? So if you take 4 as the LCM here, it is minus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. So this is minus 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 get cancels. Minus t power 1 by 4 minus of 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. Okay. Now come to the again we shall come to the these are simple problems here. Look at here. Integral of tan x dx. We all know it is a formula, direct formula, log of mod secant x. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ, how it comes, that we shall see here. Tan x is sin x by cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? It is minus sin x. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Integral of cos x sin x. So cos x derivative minus sin x is there. So multiply and divide by minus here. So the derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. Really, f of x, f dash x. Derivative of denominator in the numerator. So log of modulus of f of x and the log of denominator plus c. So this is denominator derivative is in the numerator minus log of cos x plus c. So this minus andre minus 1 anta idu. To take logarithmic property prakara to the power of minus 1 agutte. Cos x power minus 1 andre 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x andre secant x. So this is log of mod secant x plus c. Okay, it's a simple one. Integral of cot x. It's still simple one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಬೇಡ. cot x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x by sin x. sin x ಇನ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. Derivative of sin x is in the cos x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. The answer is log of mod sin x plus c. Derivative of denominator in the numerator log. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್. Integral of secant x. In this case, we multiply and divide by secant x, numerator and denominator. So this secant x into secant x, secant square x, secant x into tan x, secant x tan x divided by denominator. Look at here. Derivative of denominator is in the numerator. So what is the derivative of, look at here, what is the derivative of secant x plus tan x, or we can say tan x plus secant x. Derivative ಏನಿದ್ರದ್ದು? Derivative of tan x we know that it is secant square x. Derivative of secant x is we know that it is secant x into tan x. So whether it is present in the numerator, look at here, secant square x plus secant x tan x. Derivative of denominator in the numerator, so answer is log of mod denominator. So that is the right answer. Cosecant x, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Now look at here, multiply and divide by cosecant x minus cot x. ಈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ will not get changed. Now cosecant x into cosecant, cosecant square minus cosecant into cot, cosecant cot. Look at this, denominator derivative is in the numerator. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus cot x derivative ಏನು? Derivative of minus cot x is, that is equal to minus ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cot x the derivative ಏನು? minus cosecant square x. Minus into minus it will become plus. So cosecant square x. Cosecant x derivative is minus cosecant x cot x. Clearly denominator derivative is in the numerator. Answer is log of denominator plus c. Come to this problem. Integral of x power 3 by root 1 minus x power 8. X power 3 na if you differentiate x power 4, you will get 4 into x power 3, and you will get x power 3 term when you differentiate x power 4, isn't it? So you write this x power 8 as x power 4 whole square, and you take x power 4 equals t, because we want x cube dx. Differentiate it. 4x cube dx is dt. We want only x cube dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, x cube dx is 4 comes to the denominator, dt by 4. So the entire thing will be ನೋಡಿ dt by 4 divided by root of x power 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ t square. So 1 by 4 is taken, dt by root 1 minus t square. We all know that we must remember the formula here, dx divided by root of 1 minus x square will be equal to sine inverse x plus c. So dt by root 1 minus t square is sine inverse t plus c. The value of t is x power 4. So x power 4 plus c. Now come, we have already explained this problem, isn't it? Integral of sine cube x dx. ಈ ತರ ನೋಡಿ sin cube x cos cube x ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಡಲಿ sin cube x ನ sin square x into sin x. ಫಸ್ಟ್ sin square x ಗೆ you write 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. Now look at here. ಏನನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ? cos x ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you take cos x equals t, differentiate with respect to x. It is cos x derivative sin x ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು minus sin x dx dt, but we want only sin x dx, that is minus dt. So integral of 1 minus t square cos x andre t into minus dt. Minus is taken 1 minus t square dt, minus is taken integral of 1 is t, integral of t square is t power 3 by 3 plus c. So minus is taken out, cos x minus this plus c. Okay, so you do homework here. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. You do this integral of cos cube x dx, very similar to this cos square x into cos x. Cos square ಗೆ 1 minus sin square, cos x ಗೆ t ಬದಲು sin x ಗೆ t, integrate it. Okay, this is also very similar. Okay, sin cube is there, ಅದೇ ತರ sin square into sin square ಗೆ 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ you take cos of 2x plus 1 equals t, differentiate with respect to x. Now look at here, if you consider this is u ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What is the derivative of cos u? Minus sin u into derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2, dx equals dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ minus ಇದೆ, bring to the right side, it becomes minus dt by 2. So sin of 2x plus 1 dx is minus dt by 2. So the integral of 1 minus cos andre t itkondidivi, 1 minus t square into minus dt by 2. Minus is taken out, this 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus t square. Again the integral of 1 is t square is t cube by 3. So t andre cos of 2x plus 1 minus cube ide cos cube of 2x plus 1 plus c. Now come to this problem. Here we see that there are two methods are there. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, sin cube is there, you write 1 sin square x ಇನ್ನೊಂದು sin x ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. sin square x into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ sin x is cos cube x as it is. sin square x ಗೆ 1 minus cos square x cos cube x sin x. Now you give cos x equals t, differentiate with respect to x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x dx dt, sin x dx is minus dt. So it is cos x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, t ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. sin x dx ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ minus dt. 1 minus t square into t cube. Look this, t cube into 1, t cube. This t cube into t power 2, t power 5. So minus of t cube, minus ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, t power 4 by 4 minus t power 6 by 6. t ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ cos cube x, same problem, into sin cube x dx. This is for homework. Okay, so very similar way, cos cube x na cos square x last ಗೆ ಒಂದು cos x, cos square na 1 minus sin square x last ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಒಂದು cos x ಇದೆ. Put sin x equals t, very similar to the last problem. Okay, these are all the problems, very easiest problem. You must practice. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮರಿಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. maximum number of questions will be asked from this integration. That is why you must be very careful while solving the integration by substitution method. Okay, thank you.